Hello, recruitment hackers. Max from Talkpush here, and I'd like to talk about a newish concept called Omnichannel Recruitment. What is omnichannel? It's a concept that comes from retail, where you want to build a consistent experience for the customer journey, depending, no matter where they are and which channel they're coming from. So if they're going to your e-commerce website or if they're going to your store, are you able to track what's happening to them across that journey? This concept got a lot of interest when all the business started going to e-commerce, and people realized that people go to the store to study the product, but then they go back online to buy it. So you need to give credit where credit is due. You need to give credit to the retail locations for driving that business. In recruitment, it's almost the other way around. Like, a lot of the traffic happens online, but then it has to go into a real world experience. So you have to come into the office and meet the candidate in person, and sometimes it's a little bit awkward. A candidate comes in and or comes into your Facebook page or comes into your website, and they start from scratch every time they start to interact with your brand. So omnichannel recruitment means really figuring out these three main channels: your career website and your digital sort of store, your social media pages, that could be LinkedIn, that could be Facebook and Instagram, and of course your on-site experience, whether it's a recruitment center or even meeting someone in a Starbucks coffee. What you need is a system that is able to build the entire candidate journey across each of these channels, so that you don't have to start from scratch. You don't have to ask questions you've already asked again, and you have one system of record that tells you everything that happened on Facebook, on your career website, or on that recruitment center where you welcome the candidate. That's omnichannel recruitment, and it's more concept than practice these days. Most companies aren't able to support it, but it's possible. It's been done. We're doing it, and we'd love to see more examples of how you've managed to tie that whole journey end to end together. So please leave comments, and looking forward to build employer brands that are consistent throughout.